Hi everyone, my name is Amy. In this video, I'll be framing this canvas painting by artist Austin Knopfs. I'll be using this salvaged maple trim. Some of it is pretty warped, but the pieces I need are quite thin, so it shouldn't be a problem. The painting itself has a pretty hefty internal frame already, so I want to keep my frame as light and minimal as possible. After cutting the strips to size, I recess one of the edges. This will be important for how the frame is fastened to the painting. With the pieces profiled, I can then miter the ends and fit them to the painting. The painting has some bumps on the corner from where the canvas folds, and this makes it a little bit difficult to measure. So I found it easiest to cut the pieces long and trim them bit by bit until I got the right fit. There's not much surface area in this glue joint, so I decided to add some corner splines to reinforce the corners. Around this time, I took a break from all my projects to welcome this new table saw into the family. It's been a great addition, and one of its many benefits is that the fence made it really easy to throw together this simple jig for cutting the slots for the corner splines. For finish, I use tung oil. To attach the frame to the painting, I'm fabricating a bunch of simple little brackets from 1-inch wide aluminum strip that's 1/8 of an inch thick. Using my mill, I was able to square up the ends really quickly, although this step really isn't strictly required. One of my favorite ways to deburr parts is using these nylon abrasive wheels. I then use my mill to cut a pocket in a piece of scrap wood to help me drill and countersink all the screw holes. Now you can see why I recessed this edge of the frame. This little wall of wood hides the bracket and lets me get away with only one screw to hold the bracket securely in place. With all the brackets attached, I'm finally ready to drop the painting in. You can see that I made the frame slightly proud of the painting so that if I ever have to set the painting on its face, the frame will offer some protection. I started by securing the corner with screws. And in some places, the frame is bowed slightly, so I was able to correct this with clamps or shims and then put the final screws in place. After adding a wire, the painting is finally ready to hang. I'm super happy with how this turned out, and the painting is a huge improvement to the space. If you're interested in checking out Austin's work, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.